Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use find and replace tags in Word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Microsoft Word lets you search for words in a document and replace all examples of that word with another. However, you can also refine your search if, for example, you want to replace internet with internet or change all the cases of rain and rein to rain. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, you have to open the file or document that you want to replace, find and replace the text. Now you can go to menu ribbon menu on the here home section, and you'll find there is an option find and replace. You can choose on replace. If you want to find what, maybe like breed, find. So here's the word, and if you want to replace, find. You can enter the text that you want to find and replace. For the example, some you want to replace with just for the example. Okay, we'll find it first. Now you can replace or replace all done. Microsoft Word made one replacement. Click on OK. It's a simple, right? So you don't need to find and replace the word manually. So that is how to find and replace text in Word document. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.